Okay, what do we got here, Keith? A mess, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this is what happens when water gets to your ceiling. We got a major crack right here. It goes all the way to the perimeter. And we're going to fix it up. We're going to take it from ghetto to fabulous. Well, we got everything scraped down. We got all of the crack. As you can see, we put screws in there so it doesn't come back and visit you later. All the way down. That's the real reason why the crack keeps happening. We primed it all up, now we're ready for a skim coat. Okay, this is our first coat of plaster. We got it on. We got the heater cooking. To accelerate the drying time so we can get 3 coats on in one day. Like I said, it'll look good when we're done with it. Finishing up the coats. It's gonna look fabulous. Well, this is our last coat of plaster, and as you can see, there's no more crack. Really nice repair. And we're starting to paint right now. We're gonna prime it and run 2 coats of paint over it, and we should be looking good. Everything's plastered off really nice. No dirt on the walls. And this thing should look good. Or as we say, fabulous. Okay, this is a beautiful ceiling here. Basically we finished this and earlier today, and everything looks good. I came back to make sure that the paint dried up really nice and that the customer is going to be happy. Nice clean job. No dust on anything. This is the way we leave our jobs. No dust. A happy customer.